What's up, guys? We're back here with a quick fun day. Let's see if we can find some snow for today. Gas up a little bit. See if we can find some snow here in Las Vegas. So we're in the middle of the desert, technically, but we're gonna try to find some snow in all this dirt. Also, we're gonna try to, whoa, look at that. I want to test drive that today. Speaking of test drives, on the way back, we're gonna try to catch Carmax and just see what this thing is worth. If you guys can guess it, leave it down in the comments, and then at the end of the video, we'll choose a winner. We'll see who got the closest, so stay tuned for that. We're getting closer, about 3 miles to go, so hopefully we see a lot more snow. Up there's a deer sign, so maybe we'll get to see some deers crossing the road and stuff, hopefully. And look at the view we have right here. It's just so amazing. It looks so cool out here. Look at that. Oh my God, this looks so freaking cool. So look at that huge mountain of ice. We finally made it to the snow, guys. Now I want to pull over and get you guys a better shot, but I'm just so fascinated. I want to see where this road takes me, honestly. Oh my God. Yeah, we're probably gonna get lost today, guys, but the experience is everything. Me being from Los Angeles, California, we never get any snow or get to see any snow. So this is, oh my God, look at this. They got a freaking yellow Hummer, yellow house, everything. That looks really cool, dude. As you guys see, we are in the snow. So we made it to the snow, guys. Look at it. Let's touch it. Oh, real snow. That looks so cool. I kind of want to find some off-roading so we can get some off-roading done. So peaceful out here, guys. Look at this. Just mountains of freaking snow, and I want to go over. Oh no, nope. I ain't about to be the one to fall freaking 5 feet in the snow. Oh my God. So now I guess since we're in the snow, we can hit that button and see if it does any difference for us. Oh my God, look at this. A real freaking snow day. Like, I know you guys on the East Coast, you're kind of used to this, but us being on the West Coast, we never get any of this. Like, we really have snow, and it's a lot of it. Like, if I go right up here, let's see how soft it really is. It's really soft, and I'm scared to go up there. It's really soft. I don't want to get stuck in it, but I would snowboard down this area right here. It looks really cool. Oh my God, I don't know how deep it is in certain parts, but this looks freaking, this is kind of scary. I ain't gonna even front. Look at this. We made it, guys. We freaking made it. All right, now let's get out of here before we cause an avalanche. Oh, my feet are so cold. Car made it in the snow, although we didn't get any big bulks of snow, like any hail or anything. Look at all this. Come snowboarding right down there. Oh my God, get a tube and come down that thing. It looks so cool. I would definitely like move up here and get away from everything, dude. Like, if I had everything I needed like right up here, I definitely wouldn't mind staying out here. Need to try to find like an Airbnb or something, because this will be so cool, dude. Look at that. Just the whole scenery makes it feels like Christmas. Like, I don't even want to leave. So we did our first little stop, 7,000 feet up. We're gonna go up a little bit further and see if we can find anything a little bit more breathtaking, because the scene here is just so gorgeous. Like, I would not mind driving in this every day. Like, it looks so nice. Look at that view, guys. That view looks so amazing. You can't get nothing much better than that. You guys see all those cool cabins over there on the mountains? So I'm guessing we're at the very top. Thumbnail. That's a thumbnail for you. This looks really cool. And just like that, guys, we are back in the dirt. I guess he doesn't want to go the speed limit because it's actually 55. Finally out of the middle of nowhere. Let's see if we can hit Carmax and see what they're going to tell us. Alrighty guys, so we made it to Carmax. I know the offer is gonna be low, but let's test drive some stuff while we're here, shall we? We are here at Carmax, and I think I want to test drive that ZL1. I want to test drive this Cayman. Yeah, okay, so I know I'm definitely gonna want to test drive this ZL1 right here. I want to test drive this one specifically because I have a Camaro also, and I'm gonna supercharge it and do everything pretty much this car has in it. So I really want to test drive it just to get the feel and see what I'm missing out on. So let's see if we can test drive that one. Also like the Cayman, don't really want to test drive it, but I would. Oh, I like the Z06. This is a nice Z06, reminds me of Goon Squad. But I know I'm not gonna have enough money for a Z06, so I'm not even gonna waste my time. Surprisingly, they don't have too many fast cars here, but I would want to test drive this Porsche Macan. It looks pretty nice. And I thought this was a Trackhawk right here, but it's not the Trackhawk. It's just a regular, oh, it's the SRT. I think I want to try the ZL1 and the Grand Cherokee. So unfortunately, the ZL1 is on hold. So it looks like we're just gonna be able to test out SRT Jeep today. So we're gonna test out this SRT8 Jeep. And then after that, we're gonna finesse our way to test driving that ZL6 over there. He think he's slick telling me it's on hold. This thing has 470 horsepower, 465 foot-pounds of torque. Looks really great in the inside. I just feel like it could be a little bit more luxurious, I guess, for 50,000. For 50,000, I feel like you can get a little bit more out of it. But again, it's not the Trackhawk. You can only do so much. Uh-oh. Let's see how it sounds. We'll see. It has launch, it has track mode. Oh man, I think I'm about to give this test drive the test drive of its life. It has the beautiful 6.4 liter engine. Looks really great. Oh my god. Only if it was supercharged. Like if it was a Trackhawk, I would buy it if I could, but I know I can't buy it. I'm just test driving it. Car myself. So
if I feel unsafe, I'll tell you.
Just tell me for sure.
For sure.
God, it feels great. Are we turning at this first corner?
Yes, yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah.
So we're gonna do a straight around Carmax. I don't care if you speed at all. If I feel unsafe, I'll let you know.
Yeah, for sure.
If you do get a ticket, I won't pay it. That's the one rule.
So it has a track setup here.
Yeah.
You put it in the track mode and it does feels like a whole lot different.
It should tighten the suspension.
Yeah, the steering wheel does feel pretty tight.
Yeah, so it should tighten the suspension, make it a little more center of gravity there.
Yeah, for sure. Oh my god, this thing pulls. Oh my god, what was that, a 0? So we do have the 60 time. We can try to see if we can get a better 60 or something. I don't know. I don't think it was on, but
it hit 60 for sure.
Hey, that's so freaking tight. We ain't even gotta go to the track no more. Oh my god. Okay, so if you guys see, we have the launch control in. It says hold the brake while you're holding the gas. And this thing is like a jet. Like, I didn't have my other finger on the gear, but you just hear it. Like, it's like a jet, bro. Launch mode, engage. Damn. If I had this shifted on here, it'd be extra wet, but you guys get the picture. Oh man, just got done with the fabulous test drive in track mode. No, are you guys ready for this appraisal reveal? Well, I know I'm kind of wild, not wild, but $2,000. That's what they offered it, and I would never in life sell this car for $2,000, even like it is. What's up, guys? So you seen we went to the snow today. Got some good mountain time, I guess you can call it that. We also went to Carmax and got an appraisal on the Copart Infinity. We also got to test drive the Grand Cherokee SRT8 Jeep, and the launch mode on that was really crazy. I really enjoyed that. However, the offer for this car, I felt like it was really low, like crazy low. And they said it themselves, it was nothing at all wrong with it. It was just the body, but you know Carmax, they have to make some money out of it, and whatever they tell you, whatever they do, I don't know. That won't be the case this go around. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Appreciate you guys watching. I know you guys are waiting for the update on that paint. Still saving up for that. That should be coming anytime soon now, hopefully. As for Copart, we'll be trying to get a new buy in the next couple days. The one I wanted to participate in, the auction, had already went by yesterday, so I'll probably have to wait till next week and we'll grab another car there. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what was your guess on that appraisal.